Hi friends, this is activity 1 for math. Your learning goal is rounding to the nearest hundred. We learned this skill last week and we'll continue for the month of December. So let's just look at refreshing ourselves. With this, it tells us the basic rule. You're going to find the number, find whether your number is below the halfway point. There's your halfway point. If it falls below, you round down. If your number falls above the halfway point, you're going to round up. Okay, so taking a look at the problem, here it says Chris collected 486 puzzles. Well, here's your 486, okay, on the number line. Then you're going to come and answer the question. Does it fall below the halfway point? Remember, your halfway point is the number between the two 100. So that's a 400 and that's 500. So 450 is between 400 and 500. And you go down to the next question. Does it fall at or above your halfway point? Again, you look at where your number is and you determine whether it is at or above the halfway point. You're going to circle your answer, either yes or no. Don't forget to answer this question. Does it fall below? If it does, circle yes. If it does not, circle no. Then you're going to go down to this question. It wants to know, is Chris going to round up or down? And the only way you're going to know that is remember the rules. If it falls, your number falls below the halfway point, you round down. If it falls above your halfway point, you're going to round up. So you're going to have to circle either you're going to do up or down. And then the last one says that Chris is going to round that 486 to what? To the nearest hundred. Is it going to be 400 or is it going to be 500? And you're going to write that number down. Then you're done.